Good morning. This video is an introduction to the poem "For the Bird with Love." If you open this video in YouTube, you will have the link to this blog, this poem. You can open this. You might get this video as a WhatsApp message or a Facebook message. So if you open this video in YouTube, you can access the poem. And this video gives you what actually is dealt with in this poem. It's about the Delhi Nirbhaya incident in 2012. A tragic incident. Tragic because even after a decade, a courageous girl who was unwilling to give up, who was unwilling to let those lusty monsters escape from love, still she remained nameless and faceless. And still Nirbhayas are repeated, and still they all remain nameless and faceless, while these criminals, they gaze around and we just watch. Why why is a woman, a girl who was on the wrong end of justice, who was innocent, is unwilling or is unable to tell her name, show her face? And that is where we have to analyze that there is something stinging in our society and something that is stinging in our minds. The persons who committed, they have to hide their face, they have to hide their names. It's not a woman who fought for her rights, who fought for her integrity, who fought for a life to live with dignity and peace and happiness. So this poem is a tribute to all the women who are proud to fight for their right to live with dignity. You can open this video by clicking it on YouTube. You have to open this, if you want to read this poem, you have to open this video on YouTube, because below this YouTube link you will get the link, the blog link to this poem. You can access it by clicking on it. Thanks a lot.